Hello everyone. Good morning to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last previous videos, I explained about types of estimations. How many types of estimations are there? Yeah, basically there are two types. One is long wall, short wall method or separate wall method. Second one is center line method, and sometimes you can use both center line method, partially center line method, and separate wall method. These first two are very important. I explained about concepts of long wall, short wall method. What is the long wall, short wall method? Basically, first of all, you have to imagine plan. You should observe plan and section. From the plan and section, you should collect the information, correct measurements, accurate dimensions by imagining your plan and section. You should picturize that plan and section in your mind so that you will get accurate values, accurate dimensions. See, what is long wall, short wall method? After observing how many long walls, short walls, for example, a single room, there are two long walls and two short walls. Long wall is one from out to out, and short wall is inner to inner. For symmetrical footing on either side, the center line remains same for superstructure, foundation and plinth beam. So simple method is to find out the center length of long walls and short wall from the plan. If you look at the separate or individual wall method, what the first we have to do, we have to calculate center wall, center to center of long walls. How we are going to find center to center? Your clear length plus half of width of either side of walls. One side, half of width plus another side, half of width of the wall. You have to mention like this. Here, I have given this equation for you. See here, see very easy here, very simple. Here, see long wall. What is long wall? Long wall is length is outer to outer. See, from the plan we calculated center to center length. First, after observing what we did, we calculated center to center length of the long wall. Then half of width of one side. This is, you added one side half of width. Suppose a clear dimension is 6 meters length of long wall and 300 mm of one side, and say 200 mm is one side. Suppose 300 mm means here you have to convert into meters, because this is center to center is 6 meters. Here, if you draw, suppose center to center here is 6 meters, right? Right, 6 meters. Here, 300 mm means you have to convert into what meters? That is by 2. So this is one side. Similarly for other side, here say, for example, there is no 200 mm wall, say 0.2 example by 2. So this is the meaning of this equation. Long wall length out is center to center. This is clear dimension 6 meters, and half of width of one side and other side is, say, this is your for example, this is a wall, say symmetrical. Here this is width of 300 mm, this is 600 mm. See here, clear dimension is 6 meters, right? Here 300 mm is 0.3. What is 0.3? Here. Okay. Here this is 0.2. This is 0.2. So what we are doing, this is in meters. So this is mm, you converted, how you converted? By 1000. So this also you have converted into meters. So this 6 meters plus half of width, this is 0.3 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. This will give you long length. This is long length out to out. First one is center out. How you have to calculate? So first one is you have to calculate center to center. How to calculate? This 6 meter plus half of this width plus half of this width. So what is center to center length value here? Center to center length value is here. See, I will write here, say 6 meters plus 0.3 by 2, right? C plus 0.2 by 2. Okay. So now what you will get here, 0.15, 0.1, 0.25. So 6.25 is your value. 6.25 what? Always you have to write unit. If you don't write units, you won't get 1 mark. Single mark you won't get in examination. So center to center length is 6.25 meters. How you got center to center is very important. Clear dimension plus half of width is set. Generally in your examinations or problems, you will have similar walls. So this is 300 mm, this is 300 mm. Then you will get center length is 6.3 meters. Sometimes they may ask you what is your level of understanding of long wall short method. Then they will give you like this different width of walls. So that you have to calculate like this. Okay. Now calculated center line length. That is over. What you got here? Center line length is 6.25 meters, right? See here, center line length is 6.25 meters. Okay, 6.25 meters, right? Now, for example, I want to calculate long length wall. Similarly, foundation footings, first footing, second footing, up to plinth level. See, whenever you see, observe, center line is same for all. This is the here. This sentence see here the center line remains same. So just for example, I have given 6.25 for superstructure. For all calculations, including your foundation, right, plinth, and first footing, second footing, whatever it may be. So this is simple method. You have to find center to center length. Then half of width of here. Again, just now I explained you the problem. See 0.3 by 2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. So suppose they are similar, here instead of 0.2 you will have 0.3. So you will get say 6.5 meters outer to outer, 6.5 meters. So this is the calculation of length of long wall. Similarly for foundation, suppose foundation width is 1.2 meters. Here 1.2 by 2, 1.2 by 2. Suppose this is 1 meter, here 1.2. Similarly for first footing, say 800 mm width, 0.8 by 2. Here 0.8 by 2. Like that, we have to calculate center line. Understand clearly what is long wall length? Short wall length is into in. So that is very simple. This is reverse. We added long wall, short wall, and here only thing is here you have to instead of adding here, you have to subtract. This is a blind rule. For similar walls, you have to subtract one width. Otherwise, if there are two different walls, minus half of width of one side, minus half of width of other side. So here, just now previous example, 6.25 minus 0.3 by 2 minus 0.2 by 2. Like that, we have to calculate center line length. I will explain in further one more example to understand clear. Thank you.